What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to disable automatic updates when using the Adobe Creative Cloud on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up the Creative Cloud application. Here, navigate to File, Preferences. In your general settings, you can prevent the Creative Cloud itself from automatically updating. Under Apps, you have the same option for installed Adobe applications. You can also change the install location for future downloads and updates, in case your hard drive is getting full. In your syncing settings, you have the option to change your download and upload speed. In my case, I prefer to enable automatic updates and to throttle the download speed of the application. If this makes sense to you, then set the download transfer speed option to low and upload speed to medium. A link to this wallpaper will also be in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.